Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Elfstedentocht, the very rare but exhilarating outdoor skating event. This is how we say Elfstedentocht. Elfstedentocht. There is a light emphasis on the second syllable, Elfstedentocht. 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 The Elfstedentocht 11 City Tour is a national event on natural ice of 200 kilometers, 120 miles. Close to 20,000 skaters participate. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!